7 years ago, on September 8, 1954, my sister Avelina Apostol Pajarillo was born at Malamote, Cabacan, Cotabato. She was the fifth child of Pedro Rivera Pajarillo and Elisa Fontilla Apostol. She finished her elementary grades in 1969 at Lower Malamote Elementary School and finished her secondary in 1974 at Mindanao Institute of Technology, now University of Southern Mindanao. After graduation in secondary, she planned to take a Bachelor of Science in Nursing, and she pursued her planned course at Mountain View College, MVC, Bukidnon. After her copying, she was not able to continue her studies due to health problems. So she stopped her studies. After she recovered from the said illness, she continued her studies, but she took up another course. Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education at Notre Dame of Kidapawan College, and finished the course in 1979. After graduation, she offered her to teach in this institution, Accelerated Christian School. He stayed here at Anchor Bay Bible Institute of Technology. In the year 1982, she transferred to public school at Maguindanao Division, and the first assignment was in Lagitan Primary School. Then after that, after 3 years, she was transferred to another school at Pinansaran Elementary School. During summertime, she enrolled classes to graduate studies. Master of Arts in Education, major in Administration and Supervision, and she was able to finish in 1986. She took up also Master of Arts in Education, major in Physical Education at Manila and graduated in 1989. Then, she was also assigned as the District Coordinator in GSP, Girl Scout of the Philippines, and Physical Education. She was known for her active participation in both scouting and sports. She traveled many places, attending in jamborees, and served as technical officials in volleyball and sipak takraw. She was experienced officiating in these events from district to international that made her known for her expertise. In the year 2010, she was assigned as district in charge at Datupla, Sinsuat District until she retired in July 1, 2019. Before she retired, she was already diagnosed that she was a diabetic. Until she retired, there were complications on her sickness. Last January 2021, that was the time that she went to the doctor for checkup, because during that time was pandemic. she was not able to go to her doctor and monitor her condition anymore. Ang saklap ng ginawa ng pandemic sa kanya, hindi man lang mapa-check up dahil maraming restrictions. She suffered that much. She was undergone all laboratories, and the doctor found out that her kidney was already defective, and found out that her creatinine was so very high. The doctor gave her medications until such time that the only remedy for her to recover was to undergo dialysis. She started dialysis on March 2021. She struggled much, and all the family members was affected. We showed concern, love, but most especially prayers for her. But God was so good. She took Manang Bilen, but we are assured that she's now in heaven. All the struggles and pains was ended on June 3, 2022. That was Friday at 3:30 p.m.